Have you ever wondered what technologies you need to master to become a successful software developer? Welcome to a world where the right set of skills can set you on a path to success, a world that is rapidly evolving, driven by technology. And if you're aiming to be a software developer, it's critical to keep yourself updated with the latest and most relevant technologies. Why, you might ask? Well, the answer is simple. Technologies are the tools of your trade. They are the building blocks that transform ideas into reality. Mastering these technologies can significantly boost your career, opening doors to new opportunities and challenges. In the world of software development, different positions require different technological skills. Whether it's front-end, back-end, full-stack, or mobile development, each role has its own unique set of technologies that you need to be proficient in. Stay tuned as we delve into the different technologies required for various software developer positions. To kick things off, we'll start with the front-end developer position. Front-end developers are like the architects of the digital world. They create the look, feel, and interaction that you experience when you visit a website or use a web application. It's their job to ensure that your online journey is smooth, visually pleasing, and user-friendly. Sounds exciting, right? Now, to excel in this role, there are certain technologies that you need to master. First and foremost, HTML or hypertext, markup language. HTML is the foundation of all websites. It's what forms the structure of web pages and is an absolute must-know for any aspiring front-end developer. Next up, we have CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. While HTML gives structure to web pages, CSS is what makes them look good. It's used to style and lay out web pages to create the colors, fonts, and designs that make each website unique. Now, to make web pages interactive and functional, front-end developers use JavaScript. JavaScript allows developers to add features to websites that improve user interaction, such as form validations, animations, and even games. However, writing raw HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can be time-consuming and complex. That's where frameworks come in. Frameworks are tools that simplify the process of web development. Some popular ones that front-end developers use are React.js and Angular.js. React.js, developed by Facebook, is used for building user interfaces, especially single-page applications. Angular.js, on the other hand, is a Google product and is a structural framework for dynamic web apps. So to sum it up, if you're looking to become a front-end developer, you'll need to get to grips with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a framework like React.js or Angular.js. Each of these technologies has its own unique role in the creation of websites and web applications, and mastering them will give you the skills you need to create beautiful, functional, and user-friendly websites. Mastering these technologies will put you on the right path to becoming a successful front-end developer. Next, we'll tackle the back-end developer role. So, what does a back-end developer do? Picture a swan swimming across a lake. The front end is the swan gliding gracefully and catching your eye. But underneath the surface, that's where the real action is happening. That's the back end, where all the hard work is done to ensure the swan moves smoothly. Similarly, back-end developers work behind the scenes, ensuring that data or services requested by the front-end system or software are delivered seamlessly. Now, on to the meat of the matter. What technologies do these unsung heroes need to master? First up, we have programming languages. Python, Ruby, Java, and PHP are some of the most popular ones. Each has its own strengths and quirks, and the choice often depends on the specific requirements of a project. Python, for instance, is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners. It's widely used in scientific computing, data analysis, and machine learning. Ruby, on the other hand, is loved for its elegant syntax and is often used in web development. Java, a stalwart in the tech world, is known for its write once, run anywhere capability. And PHP, while sometimes criticized, is still widely used in web development thanks to its deep integration with HTML. Now, let's explore the full-stack developer position. A full-stack developer, as the name suggests, is a jack of all trades in the world of software development. They are equipped with the skills needed to create a complete, functional web application on their own. This means that they are proficient in handling all aspects of a project, from the user interface to the server-side infrastructure. Imagine a restaurant. The front end is the dining area where the customers dine. The back end is the kitchen where the food is prepared. And the full-stack developer is the skilled chef who can both cook and serve the food. The full-stack developer's role is similar to this chef. they can whip up a delicious user interface and also prepare the server-side logic to perfection. To become a full-stack developer, you need to master a variety of technologies. This includes front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are used to create the look, feel, and interactivity of a website. You should also be proficient in back-end technologies such as Python, Java, or Ruby, which are used to manage data and server-side logic, but that's not all. As a full-stack developer, you also need to understand how servers work. This means knowing how to set up, configure, and manage servers. You should also be familiar with databases and know how to interact with them using SQL or NoSQL. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are another important aspect of full-stack development. APIs allow different software applications to communicate with each other, and knowing how to use APIs will enable you to integrate third-party services into your applications. Lastly, you need to understand different development methodologies. Finally, we'll look at the mobile developer role. Mobile developers, as the title suggests, are the creative minds behind your favorite mobile applications. They are the ones who take a concept, a mere idea, and transform it into a tangible, interactive mobile application that you can use on your smartphone or tablet. If you're intrigued by the thought of creating apps that could potentially be used by millions of people worldwide, then the role of a mobile developer might just be your calling. But what technologies should you master to thrive in this role? Let's delve into that. First, let's talk about iOS development. If you wish to create applications for Apple's iOS platform, then Swift is the programming language you should be focusing on. Swift is designed by Apple, and it's known for its speed, safety, and interactive nature. It's the backbone of most iOS, macOS, and even some watchOS applications, so proficiency in Swift is a must for any aspiring iOS mobile developer. Next, we have Android development. If you're more inclined towards creating apps for the Android platform, then Kotlin is the language you should be learning. Kotlin is a modern, expressive, and safe language that is fully interoperable with Java and Android. It has been officially supported by Google for Android development and is rapidly gaining popularity in the mobile development community. But what if you want to build applications for both platforms? Well, that's where cross-platform technologies come in. Technologies like React Native and Flutter allow you to write code once and deploy it on both iOS and Android platforms. React Native, developed by Facebook, and Flutter, developed by Google, both offer incredible performance and a native-like user experience, making them excellent choices for cross-platform mobile development. Mastering these technologies will equip you with the necessary tools to create stunning mobile applications. Whether it's a simple task management app or a complex e-commerce platform, the possibilities are endless. And with the ever-growing demand for mobile developers, there's no better time to start learning. With these technologies, you can create amazing mobile apps and become a successful mobile developer. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the diverse landscape of software development roles, each with its unique set of required technologies. As a front-end developer, mastering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is vital. For back-end developers, knowledge in Python, Java, and databases is essential. On the other hand, full-stack developers must be jack-of-all-trades, competent in both front and back-end technologies. Lastly, mobile developers should focus on Swift for iOS and Java or Kotlin for Android. But remember, it's not just about knowing the technologies, it's about using them to solve problems, to create, to innovate. Whether you're drawn to the intricacy of front-end, the logic of back-end, the breadth of full-stack, or the mobility of mobile development, each path offers a unique journey and a chance to leave your mark on the digital world. Remember, knowledge of these technologies is just the first step. Practice and experience will make you a successful software developer. Until next time, keep learning and keep coding.